Okay, boy, you ready? You want to walk today, son? Let's go on an adventure, puppy. Where should we go, dog? Don't you dare. Little doggy. This dog is taking me into the woods somewheres. It's kind of crazy. Oh, what are you doing? Boy, that was just nasty, son. Now, where are we going now? Powering up. This is crazy. He keeps going deeper and deeper into the woods. It's getting kind of creepy. We're gonna be stranded, dog. Don't you know that? Oh, you don't know that? Okay. Okay. Let's go then. Yo! Yo, yo, yo! What? Ah. There could be somebody in that. There's another one over there. What should we do? What should we do? Where are we going now, doggy? You've literally just led us into some random field. Come on, man. This thing never ends.
It never ends!
Well, what should we do now? Huh? What? What are you... We're stranded out here, young doggo. What should we do? What? Okay. Okay, so the puppy has started taking a new path down this way. So we're gonna see where this leads. This thing literally just goes forever. What'd you find? Oh. No! What do you mean this was my idea? This was not my idea. This was your idea. It was all yours. It was all your idea. And this is one crazy dog, and we should have never done this right here. We are stranded out in the middle of the woods. What should we do? Oh, okay. Wait just a minute. You think this is a trail? Oh, this is the way back. Oh, buddy. I think we might have found something here. More woods. Let's take this one. Come on. Go! Hey. Yet again, we're still lost in the woods. There's like so many trees falling out here. It's ridiculous. And there's another pathway. Hey puppy, this looks pretty good. What do you think? What do you think? What do you mean? I think we should do it anyway. You hear that? Oh.
Yo, yeah, dog.
Okay. I think we're finally getting somewhere now.
That was a nightmare.
Wait, yo, check it, look. It's your house, Scooby. It's your house. Oh, he's getting too crazy. Oh, it's your house. Let's go look. It's your house. We made it. Yay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So that's what it's like when you let your dog walk you for the day. Well, I guess I'll see ya.